In the classic car business, many buyers are trying to fulfil a dream.
You know, we sell a lot after the sale, so I wouldn't worry about it. It'll go.
And more often than not, they're on the hunt for an old motor that's been squirreled away for years without being touched. Although sometimes these barn finds aren't very easy on the eye.
Hi, Kevin, Derek here, Matthewson's Auctions. How you doing?
Today, Derek's got wind of a 3-vehicle hidden haul in the Midlands.
Now, what's to pick up? Capri, Fiesta, Escort?
He needs to find out whether the cars are too much of a tip to be worth the trip.
Right.
So, I've got the receipt that I gave 1,900 quid for it back in 1993.
You're going to want your money back then?
Oh, easily.
What model Capri is it, Kevin?
It's a 1600 laser.
Right. Showing many miles?
29,000, I believe.
All right,
the
mate.
Fiesta.
Yep.
It's been sat outside, that one.
Oh, shame it's been
Now,
outside, really.
That was a Partex as well.
OK, mate. Well, we're talking about coming down this week.
Yeah, that's fine.
Cheers.
Thanks a lot.
Cheers, mate. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
If they'd have been stored perfectly dry, would have been a good chance of them turning out to be OK. I think they're going to turn out to be pretty poor, to be honest.
I'd like to keep everything, but in the grand scheme of things, with day-to-day life, I've got to help with mum and dad a bit more now. I've got to prioritise what I've got to focus my interests on. One Capri, not looking so happy, that one.
For more than a quarter of a century, Kevin Smith and his dad, Keith, who worked for a Ford main dealer for over 50 years, have been storing 3 cars at the family home.
Right, now twist round. Mark II Escort was brand new in 1980. My dad purchased that for my uncle. He passed away in '94. Obviously, I've and my dad have kept it undercover ever since. The Capri I bought, can't afford the 2.8, so my dad managed to pick me up the 1.6. Unfortunately, again, it ended up in Mum's back garden in the shed and forgotten about. The Fiesta, that was again, I fancied an XR2, but I couldn't afford to insure one, so through my dad again, I picked up the 1.4 Sport, but never got round to using it. 25 years down the line, Mum wants them gone, so it's time to move on. Remember that?
What, 1 Cortina?
GT.
Is it?
That we bought off him.
Kevin's dad has dementia, and the money raised from the car sales will be used to make the family home more comfortable for him.
I'm just terrified that if I don't do this now, this lot's just going to crumble in and I've got a pile of scrap. When Derek gets here, that's it, there's no turning back. Let the man take him and do his best for me. It'll be a sad day, but it's got to be done.
Sorry to be a bit late.
No, it's
I missed
all
the
right.
junction, you know, down there, listening to Rolling Stones, boom, straight past 24.
Ah, right.
Where are they?
They're up the back garden.
I just hope something's got some brakes, has it, do you think?
Yeah. This one, we've got some tyres to blow up. This is Uncle's 1980 Mark II Escort.
Wow.
Been in here for 25 years or more.
Aye. Looks a level old thing, though, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Houndstooth interior, exactly what it should be.
16,000 odd miles on the clock.
Nice one, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Right.
Is
Brilliant.
this potato tackle?
Absolutely, love, you're dead right there. Let's get priorities right.
Luckily for Derek, Kevin's pals have offered a helping hand.
I'm living the dream, mate. I'm living. I am. Well, there's no point in getting in the way. There's some capable lads there and ladies. No, I'm just going to watch what's going on for the time being. Going to relax and have a cup of tea and a donut. Lovely, isn't it?
Derek wanting a cup of tea, so we can't have the electric on because Mum's got to boil the kettle. Oh, hey, yeah, the man's got his tea. We can have some compressed air.
The Fiesta's still running and makes an ideal hot hatch tow truck.
Tell you what, that old Fiesta sounds fit, don't it? Got a sticky offside brake. I normally have to do all this. Yeah. They've got them to do it today. That's handy, mate, isn't it?
Taking the door off the garage.
That suits me. That was lovely, donut, love. Thank you.
Good. You can have another one if you want.
But later on, eh? Just a job.
I'll make sure one's safe.
Yeah, keep one to one side.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, a bit of luck, you ain't had any mice in, isn't it? Do you know what? Smells like a Ford, doesn't it?
What we got under here then?
Oh, there she is. Yeah, proper genuine car. Look at this, look how 100% all this is. All original seal around it, look. Original wings, never been off. But she's a straight old bus, isn't she? That'll surprise us, that'll do well, that will. You can estimate what it's worth. Never going to estimate what it's going to make. Never. It'll make double what it's worth. The way it sits there, 5.5 grand. Chances are it'll double that.
Kevin's just got a seized brake to sort.
That'll free off.
It's got it.
Lovely. She's away.
You're a little bit nervous about taking them down that slope?
Not in the least, no, because I ain't doing
Sure.
it. Not in the least.
Yeah, let's just try the handbrake.
Well, got a good handbrake anyway, so we're away. We're down there, no trouble at all.
Are we looking good? Okay.
Yeah, you're okay, yeah. Yeah, that's it, yeah. Yeah, you're right, keep it locked round.
Right, are you happy enough with the handbrake?
I think we're all right.
It'd be a lot easier if it got a free clutch, you know.
Whoa, left hand down, left hand down.
Oh my God.
Left hand.
Going.
Yeah, the handbrake feels a bit.
Yeah, you want some left hand?
I can't, its clutch is stuck.
You're getting close to these steps.
Which way, to you?
Left hand down.
Got stacks of room this side.
Jeez.
Yeah, you're okay, yeah, a little bit of right, just now. Come back straight, yep. Yeah, right hand, mate, hard as you can. Yep, keep it hard, right hand down. Just push it up to them ramps, we've cracked it. Yeah. Lovely. That'll do, mate.
I'm a bit nervous. I got a bit warm.
I'm never anything other than confident.
Can you get a push back? I might keep it.
No way.
What's visibility like?
Limited.
Yep. I know it's only an old Escort. Perfect. It's not a Daimler, an Albis, but it's a bit of motoring history. Mark II Escort was a fabulous car, and now it's going to get a new life. I think it's wonderful. Honest old car, yeah, not in the same league as the Escort, obviously. It's only a 1.6 laser in it, so, you know, it's not going to be a terrific seller, really, particularly, but it's nice low mileage. It'll make more money being sold exactly as it looks there now.
Oh, yeah, I don't want to sell it.
I can see it doing 7. Tidy money for a Capri. 1.6. Yeah, yeah, keep it like that. The nice thing about it is a 1.4S, which actually is pretty rare. It's not XR2 material and XR2 money, but it'll do okay. I made 3 grand. You never see him, so I've got nothing to go by. See you, Keith. See you, mate. Thanks, lads. Well done, fella. Yeah, come and see us. Well done, fella.
I'm happy. On to the next one. OK, I think my mum would kill me.
I know she would.
At base, Kevin Smith's trio of 1980s Fords have arrived, but the little Fiesta is the only one that moves.
It's a little 1.4S, clearly been lurking around for some time. 64,000 miles. Inside will actually clean up and be lovely, but it is filthy value-wise, between 8 and 1,200 quid. And done and looking nice, somewhere between 2 and 3 grand. It's not an XR2, is it? You know, it's just a 1.4S. Make a car, that. Right, when you're ready.
Meanwhile, over in Capri World...
Right, Ford Capri Laser. As you can tell, barn fine. 29,000 miles on the clock on this one. No one has messed with that car. There it is, straight out the barn. I think it'd be worth, a really nice one might do as much as 10. I bet that does 5 or 6, even wanting the work. If that was my car, I'd want 5 grand for that car, all day long.
The Escort, though, is the cream of this Ford crop.
It sort of smells the same as the Capri. No, it smells newer. It smells better. Does it? Yeah, it does. Yeah. I just done the old sniff test as soon as I got in.
And is the Mark II still a desirable car in this car?
Oh, yeah. What's this one done? 16,000.
It's what?
16,000 on this one. This one does smell right.
Does it?
Yeah, it's kept better than the Capri. $1.3L. What an absolute Brahma. It's Still on the original Michelin tyres there. Now, if that's not a time warp, tell me what is. Even if you leave it as it is, or whether it goes into the motorsport world, a two-door solid shell. No point in buying a Chinese one, is there, when you can buy one of these?
What do we think that'll do?
Somewhere between 8 and 10 grand, I think. 16,000 miles. Nowhere inside. Doesn't want any paint. Just wants a massive valet and a recommission. Sort of says it all, doesn't it, really? I mean, where can you get a Mark II Escort like that?
Sure. 15,750, Mark.
It's auction time for Kevin Smith's Fords, and hopes are high.
1980 Ford Escort. 1.3L, one owner from new.
One owner, apparently. I don't know whether you know or not, that yet.
I've got some bids with me now. Where do we want to be? 11,000? 12,000?
Right, somebody's bid 12.
13 on the net, 14 on the net, 15. 15, Alan's back in at 15. 15,500, 16 and a quarter.
Yeah, 16.5.
16,750.
17.
Genuine car.
Derek, 250.
17,250, you're in, don't worry, got you now. And Alan's back in now, though, 17,500.
You're out at that.
Thank him for his bidding, Mark. Thank him very much. 17,500. Alan,
Right,
17,500.
it's down to you. I think it's provisional, but the office will be in touch to you.
You heard right. £17,500 for an Escort that costs less than 3 grand new.
The Ford boys love them, don't they? They love the whole barn find thing. They want to be the man to put it back on the road. So, yeah, very often when this type of car appears on the market, let's be honest, they're not every week now, are they? You know, so it's quite a thing. So it would appear they create loads of interest. Simple as that.
The Escort's off to Kent for almost double Derek's estimate. And the Fiesta doesn't fare badly either.
Unusual.
A 1.4S, I remember them, but not as good as an XR2, weren't they?
At £2,150.
The Fiesta's new home is in East Anglia, and the Capri rounded off a good day for Kevin.
12,250.
A very grand total of almost 32 grand, which will do very nicely indeed.